Welcome to JC Premier's Business International audiovisual presentation on our company profile. JC Premier's grand launching was at SMX Convention. When? January 11 of 2014. Now let me introduce you to the two young, hardworking, dedicated, committed gentlemen behind the success of JC Premier. This is Mr. Jonathan So, our President and our CEO, and Mr. Carlito Macadangdang, our Vice President and CFO. JC Premier has its legalities. JC Premier also has its sister company called JC Worldwide Franchise Incorporated. We have been featured in numerous magazines. We have various food cart franchises from Siopao the King, Burger Factory, Noodle House, Potato Loops, Sergeant Sisig, and Siomai King. Over 500 branches nationwide and located in various popular places like SM, Robinsons, MRT, LRT, Shopwise, Pure Gold, Evergotesco Malls, Gaisano Capital, the NCCC Malls, and Santa Lucia East. JC Worldwide Franchise could create over 2 million Siopaos per month. We could also create up to 14 million pieces of Siomais per month. We also have our Siopao machine. We also have our sauce machine. And we also have our Siomai machine. JC Premier also has its carpentry division. JC Premier is in the business in building a healthier lifestyle, and not just internally, but any aspect in your life. If you have a dream, come and join JC Premier and let's build your dream together. Thank you for watching JC Premier's Business International audiovisual presentation of our company profile. Have a wonderful day. God bless and welcome to the good life.